Hello. We are Loading Dock Theatre.
And today we're taking a look at how to talk to a QAnon supporter.
Using techniques inspired by nature. Let's face it, facts are controversial. So in conversations, it might be best just to avoid facts altogether. But sometimes, that's not always possible. So, when utilizing or quoting a fact, consider this. Puffing yourself up like a puff adder or a blowfish. This can make the fact seem bigger. Let's watch.
Trump lost the election. Antifa didn't storm the Capitol. Trump supporters did.
You see what I mean? It's weird. It might throw a QAnoner off their game. Logic hasn't won an argument since MySpace was around, so we don't recommend using logic in conversations, as that will only date you.
1998 called and wants its pros and cons list back.
In nature, animals aren't logical, they're emotional. So, when speaking to a QAnoner, it's best to focus on the emotion of the argument rather than the substance. Let's watch.
I was afraid for my life. Nothing will ever remove that image from my mind.
No! Hard to argue with that. But there's one emotion we found most effective when speaking with a QAnoner.
The deep state fabricated 70 million votes. Democrats are eating babies in pizza restaurants. Can you juggle or... What? I mean, this whole thing might be better if you could juggle or... Well, I used to. I mean, I could in college. Can you play a musical instrument? I can play the piano a little. Really? Yeah. Don't you remember I used to play Camptown races after dinner? Oh, right. Dad hated that. Yeah, he did.